Book of Heaven, Volume 12, July 2nd, 1918. As the soul abandons herself in Jesus, he abandons himself in the soul. I was saying to my beloved Jesus, Jesus, I love you, but my love is small. Therefore, I love you in your love to make it great. I want to adore you with your adorations, pray in your prayer, thank you in your thanksgivings. Now, while I was saying this, my lovable Jesus told me,
My daughter, as you placed your love in mine in order to love me, yours remained fixed in mine, and it became longer and larger within mine, and I felt I was being loved the way I would want the creature to love me. And as you adored in my adorations, prayed, thanked, these remained fixed in me, and I felt I was being adored, prayed and thanked with my adorations, prayers, and thanksgivings. Ah, my daughter, it takes great abandonment in me. And as the soul abandons herself in me, I abandon myself in her, and filling her with myself, I myself do what she must do for me. But if she does not abandon herself, then what she does remains fixed in her, not in me, and I feel the operating of the creature as full of imperfections and miseries which cannot please me.